this side. This is Premlata here, and I am mom of a teenager, and she is studying in 10th and got. Just this year she is going into 11th standard. For us, like we want her to do something which she likes and which is also meaningful. I think there are two aspects, right? Which she likes, and it has to be also meaningful. There is no like a clear cut answer or a direction we are getting from her all these years, right? It's not like we have to be very accurate. At least we want to have like a rough direction which stream she has to select and things like that. And we keep like every now and then she's getting influenced by the people whom she's meeting or interacting with. And it was like an ever-changing one. Like one day she comes and tells, "Mummy, I want to become a marketing head." The next day she saw someone doing some unique course, like some theaters, movie. Then it becomes like she want to become that. So there was no like a clear direction that is coming from her. And one day she says, like, "I want to do psychology." And it was like ever-changing. And this is happening at one end of the spectrum. And I think her father comes from a direction where he thinks kids should, what he thinks was like if it is a proper science or other streams, right? And he want her to get into like a reputed institute. So that was the direction we are getting from her father, right? It was for her, she want to be like unique experimenting, and for her father, it has to be like a proven method, and she has to get into really prestigious institutions. And as a mother, I was caught in between, right? Both the sides keep giving directions, and like it was like it was actually affecting her like studies as well. That's really a difficult phase we were going, right? For most of our, Indian parents, our life revolves around kids' education and how they are going to settle, right? That will be one of the top priority for any of the parents, right? And from her father's angle, because I can relate like what is that he is mentioning, right? He wants to like really take a good stream, and settle in a good college. I think one of his aspects is which is widely acknowledged in market. That was what he was looking for. And for Sahana, she always thinks she has to be unique. It has to be different. I am different, right? And so it was really a turbulent phase, right? And added to this, the other problem we have, like she is like of a person who will try to like push things to the last minute. And she's not having like a regular pattern, and she's not a planned person. She always like goes by ad hoc. And I think we were getting confused. Like, is it like we are really in a confused mode, right? What she says, is it like she? So we are in between. We don't know what to do, and I'm getting pressure from both the sides. She want to do like something different, and her father was pushing. She has to go like a proven path and things like that. So that is what was happening. And as a mom, it was very difficult. I have to like be neutral to both the persons, right? I cannot go like one extreme. So my role becomes very, very difficult to convince both people and bring them on board. And I tried several times and it didn't happen. And I think in the very first conversation, you gave an outline of like how you will be approaching the problem. And I think the most important part you stressed is like for teenagers, they should always select something which they like, right? It is not like a 1 day or a 2 day problem. We are talking about a lifetime of a career, right? Where they will be spending most of their, hours of their life in a career. And you were also explaining about whatever they select, they have to be passionate about that, right? While you explained all those things, and you were talking about the different 3 layers of steps. And so that gave me some confidence. Okay, I have reached out to the right person and who is going to guide me and travel this path. Right. And I think it was like a step-by-step approach which you took also. So instead of just jumping in and hearing through a few conversations, right, what they like, what was the problem and other things, I think the very first approach you took was to create an awareness of all the available fields or streams, right? Because these kids, right, they keep changing for them, like whomever they see, they become like a role model at this age, right? Because they are not very clear. just because my neighbor is a marketing person, she thinks like I want to become a marketing person. Then she saw, say next day she sees someone with some other profession, her thought process was keep changing. So I think when you give a detailed walkthrough of the different professions, at least we came to know out of those like sessions, and I think you were putting some psychological and psychometric testing also, right? So you are trying to derive what is that inbuilt. I think every individuals are unique. You are trying to bring that out, right? What they are good, or what can, I mean, it's at least you're trying to like narrow down the things, right? What they can do, what they cannot do. I think at least we are coming to a stage of what is in scope and out of scope. And I think after all those sessions, like detailed sessions, we know like some things can be ruled out where she's not even liking, and her choices were narrowed down like to few things, right? And for that also you were trying to like reiterate like multiple sessions to find out what is at least like what is her priority, right? We are also trying to give a ranking, like what is that she prefers more, and right, and along with that career, you are also talking about like a lifetime path around that, right? At least we know like these are her areas where she will be interested or where she can shine, and for sure these are the areas that she cannot shine. And after that also you are also trying to like give a detailed brief to me, right? Her personality is like that, and that is why she is liking. You are trying to like relate that, right? How she is unique and why she is selecting that. You are trying to like get the background link and connect and tell us. That gave us like that was like really good, right? At least we were trying to narrow down the scope. So that was really good. I know it was like a long journey, right? Multiple sessions. It's not an easy one. You have to like go through with them multiple sessions, keep asking them. Then and there you knock out. Then again, like whatever they are liking, again, it is not just one time they say they like, you are going, right? Again, you have to go back to them. You have to validate what they are liking like multiple times. Again, revalidate, and at least we know like this is what they are liking, right? Because their mind is like not settled for teenagers, right? They keep like for them they have it's like they have not traveled any path, right? They have all the 20, 21 roads open, right? They I mean, they keep switching anything in between. And for her, like it came out clearly like she was preferring certain sectors. It's just because it's easy, like even though she liked and she's passionate about something, she always also thinking like if I do something else, whether it will ease my life, right? And I think at some point of time I was convinced like okay, if she wants to take instead of X, Y, if it is of less effort, why we have to stress them and all, right? So even I was more like should we take this or that? And at that time I think as you had like multiple sessions and you have understood the candidate detailed, right? It's not just few aspects, right? You are not able to relate them holistically, right? Through the various conversations, right? You clearly told if you're not putting effort now, if down the line you have to put like 2x or 3x or like 5x amount of efforts, then only you can settle in that stream, right? Then it came out clearly she's not passionate about that, and she was just having a like of it because it is easy, right? I think these were some extreme challenges which you have helped us to like really sort it out. Otherwise, as a parent, right, maybe we would have just bended and said like, okay, you think easy, you just take. I mean, it's not. We are fine like taking any stream, right? It's as all of us know, like we want them to take something which they are passionate and they're happy in long run. So that was the objective, and I think that was the biggest challenge which sir, you have helped us to sort it out as well. This question of like what should be her career was like going on for us for a long term, right? I mean, it is not a serious topic when she was 6th or 7th or 8th, but it was happening. And so I think somewhere like when she was doing 7th or 6th, we just took some online program. They gave like a series of questions, right? And so she was just ticking those things, right? And the result, like after that, someone manually intervened. Okay, so after those results, someone manually intervened, and they were just telling, based on her choices, what she will be her career. It is like I mean, she has ticked. She was 6th or 7th, and it was like a hobby, right? Right. There are people who just based on few things, whatever the kids tick mark, right?
Yeah.
Don't even see like what is the, are they really liking it or is it like random? That is not validated. And other thing, they also don't give the complete picture of a career scope. They just end up saying you can, you are, I mean, based on your like tick marks, like you are, you, it's like a automated things, right? It says like you, then this is what you have to like choose, right? And after which she was oscillating more. If I have not put her in a session, she knows like she want to do this, right? Now, like, it's why I mean that session ended up in doing some damage, right? And she was telling, I want to pursue this. Why you guys always push me towards something and all, and you guys are narrow-minded. You don't understand. So I think that was also a triggering point to have all these controversials. From all the sessions you have, like it was very meaningful, sir. You don't want us to like when I mean you're just giving them or emphasizing the need to taking into account the long-term well-being of the kids, right? It's I mean they have to be interested. It's also like you have to set your bar higher, right? You are giving importance to the holistic aspects, right? We are finding the potential of the child. It's not just one session, some few tick marks. I think for every tick mark, you are also validating with them like why that they chose that option and not the other one, right? You are getting more finer details into it, and you are having a holistic view of the kid. What is their personality? What is their potential? What I think you have like a holistic picture. And I think when you are not just asking them to complete the sessions and come to you, when they are tick marking only, you are asking them, right? Why you have not selected this? What made you to select this, right? And all this documented and a detailed analysis is made. And while you are suggesting, you are keeping in mind, like as I mentioned before, it has to be above the potential of the kid. What they can achieve, we have to push them to a higher standard. So that is different. So. Right after all this conversations, her father feel like he's feeling relieved. So at least like now, I mean, it's like everyone are got onto the same page, right? Her father is also happy and Sahana is also happy. I think you have like it's both extreme poles and somehow you may manage to bring them together, and you gave like a career. I mean, you suggested a career path, which is like she's also interested, and I think you have also given a fallback option, right? If I mean both are like something which I see like both of them are happy. I think the same thing, right? She also knows her interest because you talked about her unique qualities, right? She is someone who want to stand out unique, and her father is someone who wanted to be like a which is generic and all. I think explaining that concept to her father and telling her that how, I mean, over a period of time you have studied and you have told her like how different she is, right? Maybe she knows like she want to do something, but in clear terms, she even cannot outline or tell it out, right? But I think during our conversations, it came out very clearly. And it's a personal thanks from all of us, sir. It was not an easy, like it was like a real turmoil and a difficult times we were undergoing. But I think you came and gave a real clear direction, right? It was like a more like a step-by-step approach, right? When even I was like bit undressed when you started, why he want to explain all the 20 or 21 choices, right? We know like at least three things, right? But I think you are very clear. You have to, it's not just what they hear or what they listen. It has to be, they have to make a holistic decision, and they have to understand the pros and cons of everything. I think it was like a very professional and a concrete effort from your side also. And again, when there were I mean, again, we have like having a clarity towards implementation and other things. Again, you came and make it. I think one question you asked, right? If you are doing this, how much efforts are needed, right? That again twisted, and she was not able to answer, right? So which came out like she has time, and it is more about like how she implements. I think. And personally, thanks for all the guidance and help. So, and I suggest every parent to make use of the opportunity, right? I think for our kids, I mean, I strongly believe like giving a good education and a career option for kids is essential, and we have, I mean, it is better to invest and ensure our kids like are passionate about what they are doing and they are working in the right direction.